everybody. This is a world that I made a long time ago. I kind of have the advantage, but I'm really good at this one, I believe. It's this one. So the place where you want to make your house is right by a mine. At least what I say, but can't get on my fucking house. Ugh. Okay, so that's all my arrows. Okay, time to see how good these things are. I forgot to. I almost forgot to. Oh wait, no! What the heck am I doing? What the heck am I doing? I don't know, right? What the fuck am I doing? Okay, how about use the chests? I think you're able to use the chests, I believe. Yeah. Okay. So is it night or day? Okay, so it's day, so I can't go to sleep. I gotta get my axe. There's no freaking axe. Okay, there's my axe. How about that? Okay, time to go mining. And the mine that I live right by. Like I said, I live right by a mine. Okay, just because I don't like these things, I'm gonna throw it in my disposable thingamajigger. And then, ding, there we go. They're long gone. Okay. I'm going down the way. Uh-oh. I need some food. I'm gonna eat that. How about I put this stuff on? Protection, yeah! That sounds pretty dang good. Iron! Yay! I found some iron. I found some iron. I found some iron. Hey, what's on me? Hunger? Oh, hunger, okay. But I need to find a way out of this thing so I could go get some of my food. Isn't that a good idea? So fun! Okay, do I have any food? No, I don't. That's such a shame. I don't. That's so messed up. How about, I believe I have a golden nugget in here. Yep. I need some food. I need some food. I need some food. I need some food. Alright. Come here, piggies. I'm only gonna kill you. Hey, what's up, man? Haven't seen you in a while. How do you like that? Oh, what the heck? Oh, it's freaking raining. That's why. Oh, it's freaking raining. That's why. Hold on. Hop on this lolly pad. Parkour! Oh, I almost made it. Just hide under the tree so I could do that. And then, oh, yeah. I didn't get anything from there. How to eat this stuff? And that raised my hunger. Ah, creeper! It's a creeper. Booyah! Aya! Come to me, creeper. Let's see what you're made of. 'Cause it's a creeper. 'Cause it's a creeper. Oh, I got some XP down here. Okay. Did I get no, me still. Okay. So, I almost landed in there. That wouldn't be good, huh, Piggy? Oh, that's my mine. Never mind. Creeper! Ah. Ooh. Huh. I just shot a creeper right in the base. Stop moving! No! 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 He died. He was such a nice piggy. He died. Because of me. Ha ha ha. Boo-hoo. No! I don't want to kill that guy. I don't want to kill that guy again and die. Uh-oh. Ah, creeper! That's not good. Die! 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 How about that in your face? That did work. How about let's... Oh, just that stuff. How about let's mine all this stuff? Okay, hold on. Hold on. I think I'm getting something. Yep. I knew it. Hold on. Ah, shoot! Oh my gosh. Good thing I have feather falling boots. Oh, shoot, shoot, shoot. You died. Yeah, yeah. Okay, let's check it out over here. Just to see what we got. Got this big crate with some iron in there. Nothing much. Plus still mine the iron though. So I think the best way to get for diamonds is like 32 blocks from the bedrock layer, I believe. That's what my handbook says. Well, just in case, let me double check. Okay, let's see. Where does it say Sorry about the wait, guys. Uh-oh. That does not look good. Yeah, it says right about like 15 to 16 blocks of bedrock layer where diamonds are. So let's go mining. See if we can find anything. I remember that's where some iron was, but it's long gone now. I haven't explored this. Wow, hey, look at that, some more iron. Let's explore further down. Diamonds! 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 Oh yeah! Diamonds! 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 How about I just do this? Oh shit, this. Ah! How about that? That'll just be about good enough so I can mine that stuff. Diamonds!
Steven, you want a burrito?
Sure. Gold. That's nice. It's pretty dang nice. Got some iron. It was some redstone behind it. Oh, yeah. I'll take that stuff for sure. I believe this is a pickaxe of unbreaking. Yeah, a pickaxe of unbreaking. Yeah, I just randomly mined that part right there. I got some iron. Okay, that's about all of. Hold on. That's almost about time that we have in this video. The thing is, when I first explored this mine, over here was just what's it called again? Yeah, it was just like a random place with a spider spawner, I believe. Yes, that's what it's called. Look at, I got 2 bones, so I could get a few dogs. I could get a dog like that. That sounds pretty good. All right. Oh shoot! Creeper! No, mine. Anyways, let's just keep on going. Oh, this part's always the hardest. Okay, I'm gonna try and get it up there. I'm pretty sure you guys how hard it is. If only I had a boat, it would be a lot more easier. Do you like that? Okay. Oh my gosh. 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 Okay. Ah! So hard. So beautiful. This is such a hard thing to do. You always like fall down every single time. Let's get a little breather and okay. Next video, I'm gonna do a little walkthrough of Dead Island and a little walkthrough of Dead Island Riptide. Okay? That sound good? Those of you who like blood and gore and stuff like that, well, Dead Island's the game for you. You're gonna die. Stupid. What the heck? Ah! You're gonna die. Who's hitting me? I'll shoot you. Here you go. What you got for me? Ooh, we got some more bones. That's pretty good. Ow. I guess. Ow. Okay. Bye, that's all the time we have. Bye-bye.